Oracle's Data Center provides professional support for Oracle's internal computing and communications. The Data Center provides systems administration, operational support, and telecommunications support. The Data Center is organized into several specialized groups. The system support groups are divided into three categories: Unix, VMS, and IBM. The technical support group operates the help desk, and the operational support group handles backups and restores. Within telecommunication, there are several divisions: voice communication, data network design, data network installation, and data network maintenance operations. We also have an installation planning and migration group that handles machine installations and relocations. When an Oracle employee needs assistance from the data center, a call or visit to the help desk is the first stop. The help desk performs many of the daily tasks associated with user support. We have three main areas of support. First, we have phone support. We are who you talk to when you dial 506-HELP. Our call coordinators get several different types of calls each day. These calls range from requests to reset a password to questions concerning problems with Oracle Mail. Our call coordinators will try to answer your questions or fulfill your request by the time you end the call. If they are unable to do so, they will log your trouble request into our state-of-the-art online support system used for tracking trouble tickets. Our call coordinators will ask you for your employee number and name. They will verify that we have your phone and location information correct and take a brief description of your problem. They will assign your problem a TAR number and a priority. They will then forward it on to the appropriate support group in the data center. If, at a later time, you wish to get an update on the status of your call, you can call 506-HELP and they will track your problem with the assigned TAR number. Secondly, we provide second-level support. If you've reached a call coordinator who was unable to solve your problem, he or she will forward your trouble onto a second-level support person in the appropriate group: Unix, IBM, VMS, or Mail. These people will try to solve your problem before forwarding the TAR onto third-level support. Our second-level support people also create and maintain user IDs on all of our systems. Thirdly, our help desk provides the cables and connectors you need for your terminal or phone. You can pick these things up in the user area on the third floor. You can also come to us if you have a broken VT220 or 320, where we will exchange your terminal for a working one. We also provide service to most of the LN03 and 3812 printers Oracle uses. If your printer was recently out of toner, for example, chances are that we were the ones who came to clean and fill it. You may not have even noticed that we were there, only that the printer continues to work. Of course, if the printer does break, we are also the ones who come in to service it. The second-level support engineers can resolve problems that involve user IDs, mail IDs, and some system problems. The second-level support team is in place to speed up the resolution to many common problems. Serious problems are passed to the appropriate systems group with a detailed explanation of the actions that have been taken by the first and second-level support teams. Operations support is broken down into two primary areas: tape library and system backups. The tape library consists of scratch tapes, which are pre-pulled by our tape librarian on a daily basis. These tapes are used by our operators to run the scheduled backups. Backup tapes are sent off-site to Arcus once a month for safe storage. The tapes are returned a year later and are then used as scratch. 2400-foot reel tapes are cleaned and evaluated on a regular basis. Our tape evaluator machine also indicates how many I/O errors are present, and tapes with too many errors are discarded. Our tape library is growing daily. System backups are performed on over 60 systems, including IBM, DEC, Sun, Sequent, N-Cube, Prime, Hewlett-Packard, AT&T, Pyramid, Data General, and Wang. Incrementals are done 4 days a week, and a full backup is done once a week at 4 different locations. The Systems Group handles configuration, operation, and maintenance of the computers located in the corporate data center. The System Group handles all operating system upgrades, changes, and maintenance. When a workstation is installed, the appropriate Systems Group will assist in assigning proper network identification numbers. Oracle's Voice Communication Group is responsible for planning, installation, and maintenance of PBX, voicemail, video conferences, and specialized automatic call distribution systems for all Oracle offices within the United States. Our technicians maintain a multi-vendor environment of voice and video equipment, keeping Oracle on the leading edge of voice technology. Our technicians are continuously being trained on the latest equipment to assure that Oracle has reliable voice communication channels to all our users and customers. Our staff handles a broad spectrum of voice services on a daily basis, ranging from minor phone repairs to complete new phone system design and installation. The Installation Planning and Migration Group handles the installation of new computer equipment. This process involves space planning, providing the proper electrical connections, cooling, and cable access. Existing computer systems that need to move are also handled by the Migration Group. The Migration Group will coordinate the move with the appropriate Systems Group, making sure that all of the arrangements for deinstallation, moving, and reinstallation are taken care of. Oracle's Data Communications Group handles everything from network design to network operation. Some of the common tasks include handling wiring requests, troubleshooting data connections, and handling moves. Wiring requests are sent via Oracle Mail to the wiring account. These requests are dispatched to the appropriate voice or data technician. When the request is placed, an electronic acknowledgement is sent to the requester. The same is true upon completion. Office moves are handled in conjunction with corporate facilities. When a move request is placed, a representative of the Data Communications Group will meet with the group that's moving to determine their needs. The final move plan will be checked by the network designers and passed on to the installation team. On the day of the move, a technician will be available to assure that the data equipment is functioning properly. The operations group is on call 24 hours a day. While most of the troubleshooting is done during normal business hours, there are emergency situations that occur at all hours. Preventative maintenance is also scheduled during the off hours. The operations group handles TARs logged through tech support. Once the TAR has been assigned, a technician will follow up with a phone call and dispatch if necessary. If the user cannot be found, a repair tag and email are sent to the user when the repair is complete. The Projects and Installation Group handles the installation of new workstation or terminal connections, new office and office moves. The information required for moves or changes are submitted via email or Facilities Move Coordinators. The Planning and Design Group is responsible for planning and designing corporate networking. They also handle the integration of new systems and offices into the network. Oracle's data center provides vital services to the Oracle community. System management. system operations, system migration, telecommunications, technical support. Welcome to Oracle's Data Center.